Home remedies to gain weight quickly. If you are in that minority group that wants to gain weight rather than losing it, one of the best ways is to look for some home remedies. These are simple and effective, and will have no side effects whatsoever. The best part is that you can incorporate most of these tips effectively in your regular lifestyle without making too many changes, and gain weight easily. Home remedies to gain weight. Stress. Stress is one of the main reasons that may cause severe weight loss. So, if you are facing a stressful situation in your life, then you must begin with yoga or meditation classes in order to distress your body. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is an excellent choice for gaining weight because it is high in calories and carbohydrates. You can add peanut butter to many foods to add more calories to your diet. You can spread a spoonful of peanut butter on fruits or vegetables. You can add it to your milkshake or smoothie. You can spread peanut butter on a slice of whole wheat bread. Dry fruits. Dry fruits are the best source of carbohydrates, proteins and minerals. Hence, they are an essential part of your daily meal or snacks. Consume dry fruits in excess, especially nuts and almonds. Cashews and pistachio also help you gain weight quickly. Thus, ensure that alongside your daily meal and snacks you also eat a lot of nuts and dry fruits. Clarified butter, ghee and sugar. Mix clarified butter and sugar in equal proportion, around 1 tablespoon of each. Eat this mix at least 30 minutes before your meal on an empty stomach. Consume it for 1 month. You will definitely see dramatic results. Figs and raisins. Dried figs and raisins are chock full of calories, so they help in weight gain. Soak 6 dried figs and about 30 grams of raisins in water overnight. The following day eat them in 2 parts. Most people see visible results in about 20 to 30 days. Fruit juice. If eating isn't one of your strongest suits, then don't lose hope just yet. For food hatters, there is an alternate method to gain extra kilos by feeding voraciously on fruit juices or milkshakes. Fruit juices are rich in proteins and vitamins, while milkshakes offer an excess variety of quintessential minerals and sugars necessary to gain weight. Sweet and mashed potato. Potatoes, whether sweet or plain, both are richly filled with carbohydrates and proteins. They are an ideal foodstuff for those who want to be in a good shape. An interesting fact is that potatoes are an essential part of the daily diet of sumo wrestlers. Almond. Add 3 almonds, 2 dates and 1 dried fig to a glass of milk and boil it. Allow it to cool and then strain the milk. Drink the warm milk and eat the boiled almonds, figs and dates. Do this daily for 1 or 2 months. Cheese. Cheese comes in many delicious varieties, so you can pair it with your favorite dish. It has all the nutritional benefits of milk products. Most of the cheese varieties contain high amount of fat, which is beneficial for those people who are trying to gain weight. 1 serving of cheese can add 69 calories, as it is made from concentrated milk that provides proteins, calcium, cholesterol and fat to the body. Mango. Prepare a mango milkshake. Drink it twice a day for around 30 days. You will surely notice positive results. It is a rich source of vitamins and mineral, but low in calories. So, consider having a glass of milk after eating mango. Eggs. Eggs contain a good amount of fat, calories, and protein, which are popular ingredients for weight gain. Consuming egg whites every day can give you strong muscles and essential protein and energy. For better results, eat more of the egg white than the yolk, as the former increases your cholesterol level. Alternatively, you can also eat egg white omelets or scrambled egg whites daily in breakfast. Note: do not eat raw eggs. They may cause serious health problems. Beans. This fiber, carbohydrate and protein-rich food aids weight gain. Wide varieties of beans are available. For instance, red beans, black beans, soybeans, lima beans, kidney beans, and lentils. Eat fresh bean salad or consume bean soup daily for 2 months. Exercise. Regular workout boosts up your metabolism and stimulates your appetite that will automatically increase your intake of food. Being skinny doesn't mean that you have to stay away from exercising. It is very important to complement your diet with some regular exercises. You can do light aerobic, stretching, strength training and cardiovascular exercises. Brisk walking, cycling, dancing, swimming, etc., will also aid weight gain. Various yoga poses can give you a balanced body mass. Banana and milk. Bananas are full of calories and contain high amount of carbohydrates and potassium that give you instant energy. Whosoever wants to gain weight must eat a banana daily in the morning with a glass of warm milk. Add a teaspoon of sugar in it. Moreover, you can also have it after your meals. Don't eat bananas when you are down with common cold. Afternoon nap. Midday sleep plays a crucial role in gaining weight. Take a nap of about 45 minutes to 1 hour, post-afternoon meal or lunch. Thanks for watching. For more health tips, subscribe this channel.